Alright guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we are making the easiest carnitas you'll ever try, alright? So stick around if you want to see how that's done. For all those returning subscribers who I like to call CJ's crew, thanks for coming by. You know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it, because we're doing this a couple times a week and you're going to love what you learn and you're going to love what you watch, and we have a good time. Stop shaking your head, camera person. Anyway. Alright, so we're going to just get started into this. The reason I'm making these carnitas is because I'm going to do a collaboration with another YouTuber who's like my soul brother out there in Florida, Meathead. So we're going to be working on a video in a week or so for that we're going to drop in a week or so for a Cuban sandwich. Now in the Cuban sandwich, you know, you have pickles, mustard, that disgusting two things, and ham, Swiss cheese, and carnitas, or you know, braised pork, however the Cubans do it. So I need to do some carnitas, some braised pork. So I decided I'd make two videos for the price of one. Alright, so that's how I do it. Come on back, we're gonna put this thing together, just chopping up a bunch of crap, putting it in a thing, covering it up, put it in the oven, set it and forget it. Alright, come on back and we'll go over this. Alright guys, we're back. Look how good and tender that is. It's a good 4 hours braising in there. It's gonna make the Cuban taste so good. Alright, come on back for the taste test. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Just some nice braised, tasty, tender, delicious pork carnitas. Yum-y. Alright guys, we're back. Just want to show you real quick. I did these, I chopped up a pork shoulder, a real small one. Did a dry rub last night. I don't think I need to cut back to last night for how I dry rubbed it, but I just used a simple jerk seasoning on it and put it in the refrigerator, let it go overnight, and pulled it out right now so we can get up to room temperature. These carrots, I'm not chopping up the carrots. Luckily the kids had these for their lunches, so this week they're gonna go without carrots. Got some celery here, just gonna chop these bad boys up. Just need a rough chop. We're not using these vegetables after we're done. And we're throwing them in the throwaway pan. You know I look for convenience and ease. So those are going in. Let's put our carrots in there. All right, we're gonna do an onion. Again, rough chopping this stuff. Try not to chop off your fingers. That's no fun. No one wants to go to the emergency room while they're trying to cook. Right? Right, cameraman? Good. Alright, those are going in. But I like to put the vegetables on the bottom so the meat doesn't burn in the oven. So again, just rough chopping through these things. I'm going to leave the seeds in there, in the ribs, even though it's the hot part. Whoa, fumble. I don't mind a little spice on these bad boys. It's going to be cooking for about 3 hours, so it'll mellow out the spice. Okay? Last thing we're going to do is chop these while I have the cutting board open. Alright. The limes chopped up. We're just using the lime juice. I'm not going to throw the limes in there. We're going to use the juice of one orange. Let's put that there. And then I'm going to cover it with some orange slices. Alright. They don't have to be pretty, but the orange flavor really does come through. Okay, so while we're doing all that, I'm going to throw the pork in on top of this. Boop. Go in. Alright, I'm going to arrange that in here. I'll wash my hands, don't worry. Alright. Oh, that's going to be good. All them flavors mixing, cooking down. Alright, let me wash my hands real quick. It's true, washing them. Bring it sexy back. You other boys don't know how to act. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that strength. The Hulk. That's right. Alright, put that over there, put that there. And I don't have a big thing.
We do.
We do? Oh, whatever. Oh yeah. Get that orangey flavor. Get some anger out. Don't worry, the seeds are not going in. That's right, I can squeeze oranges with the best of them. All right, put that in there. Cover it up. All right, looking good. Okay, now I gotta wash my hands again. Covering this up, nice and tight. Nice and tight. I wanna keep all that good steam, those good juices. And maybe poke a hole in it, oh well. All right, I'm gonna whack this in the oven for 3 hours, and then we'll check on it. Oh yeah. Basically, that's it. You're gonna come on back. Shoot, I forgot something. Don't worry, it hasn't been here long enough to hurt. Gosh, darn it. Okay, last part, chicken stock over the top. Get it as high as you can go. Should be close to 2 cups, but eyeball it. You just want to cover your meat. All right, that looks good. Okay, I'm gonna cover this again. You saw how I did already. I need to pull out some more tin foil. Come on back when this is done in 3 hours, and I'll show you how we pull it all apart and give it a try. Hey guys, we're back. Got this pork carnitas straight out of the oven. Made it pretty, shredded it up, ready to go. So I just got a fork here. I'm gonna taste test it. Again, this is going in that Cuban sandwich that we're making. The collaboration with Meathead. Check his channel out. He's down below in the description. Guy's hilarious. Me and him are soul brothers, man. It's he's across the country in Florida. I'm here in SoCal, and we're the same dude. So, except he's skinnier and wears glasses, but I'm prettier. All right, let's try this bad boy. Just dig in and grab a little bit. So moist, so tender, so delicious. All right, guys, that's it. Like I said, this is easy to put together. It takes a little bit of time in the oven. Other than that, it's freaking good as hell. Come on back. I'll eventually link the Cuban sandwich up here. Right there. When I actually shoot it and put it out. But other than that, tune in next time for the next video. Listen, I appreciate you stopping by today and going on this journey with me. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.